you cold for the video?
Yeah. It's chilly out there.
Yeah, it's cold. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. We're currently in Queensland living in our van and we've put together some footage from our first month on the road. What was that?
I used a stick landing on that roof over there. The first lot of footage is from us sailing around the Whitsundays with 4 other lots of van lifers. We sailed around the Whitsundays for 4 days using Whitsunday rent-a-yacht.
It was so much fun. So we've put together a clump of that footage and then following on we'll give you kind of intro into each next lot of footage and we really hope you enjoy this video.
Of our first 4 weeks on the road. I can swim down.
Whitsundays rent-a-yacht, Whitsundays rent-a-yaght. This is Miami, this is Miami.
30 meters. After the Whitsundays, we started travelling with a bit of a van convoy, which was good fun.
Yeah, it was good fun travelling with our van convoy. We did yoga together, we went to Magnetic Island and so many other awesome places. So here's a bit of a clump of footage from that time. Oh, beautiful.
We've been to so many good waterfalls and cliff jumping spots, it's actually been unreal.
We went to Big Crystal Creek with the group, which was so much fun. There was heaps of rock slides and we loved it.
We've also been mountain biking, hiking, and we saw Wallerman Falls, which was pretty sick.
Yeah. So there you have it. That's a little highlight reel of our first month on the road. We have had so much fun. We've been learning so much. There's been ups and downs, but mostly ups, so that's been good. What?
I thought you were gonna add more to that.
Nah.
So if you hit that like and subscribe button, we've got plenty more videos on the way and we'll see you in the next one.
Woo! Hope you enjoyed it.